really put it down like this in a while, but listen, Mr. 503 all day. I love the way you walk, love the way you talk, love the way you say my name when we fuck. You know what's up, you know what's good. You got my back through the crazy shit I do. You love me, well I love you too. You hug me, I wanna hug you too. You call me, I wanna call you too. Better yet, all I say is that I love you. LOV 143, you understanding me, baby girl. I see you be the one. Let's kick it, beat Friday night. Let's roll tight, baby girl. You already know, no matter what, you're in my world, you're my zone, but you're in my zone and I'm in your zone. No intersections where we cross that night. Be the way I love it when we do the XX night. If you know what I'm talking about, we can do it all night. Sleeping tight, baby girl, put your head tight, rest your head on my chest. Yes, after we have sex, maybe we can have a couple drinks, hit some more rounds. Cause baby girl, I love it when your face is towards the ground. Yes, I lay it down, yo. You making much sound, you waking up my peeps, and you messing up with the neighbors. They hearing us, and you're hearing your scream. Baby girl, you gotta slow it down. You're acting like you're getting murdered. Everybody hear it. I don't wanna hear it. So put your face down to the pillow. Girl, you gotta get mellow, or it's goodbye, and I will just say hello to your sister, cause she knows that she wants to ride with Mr. Falcon, cause she knows how I always do. I'm always giving her that true interest, and I fucking focus on her ass, cause damn, that shit is mighty bad, it is mighty good, and I want to do anything I could with it. If I got a minute, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, I will wreck it. That shit is like a car, reckless, and I'm just saying, cause I'm doing what I need to do. No need to assume what I am about to do. Let's let the ocean take the course, let the waves take their face. Baby girl, as long as I get down with that place, it is my place or your place. You name the time and the spot. Baby girl, we're making it harder than a thermos. Baby girl, you know you earn it. You earned it, cause baby girl, you've been working for it. No checks, no cash, no credit card. Baby girl, we be backing, jacking stars. And I'm jacking yours as you're jacking mine. Baby girl, I'm jacking you, bitch, all the time. Bottom line, I do what I fucking say. Bottom line, it is what it is. Mr. Falcon, just telling you, you hit me up and baby boo, we be banging too. And if you want to bring your friends, you can bring your friends too. Mr. Falcon 503, putting it down for the RE West Coast. What it do, what we do is the most, and I'm just freestyling like all day. Yeah.